Hello, you are watching Towards TV. This is Michigan Avenue. My dear respected friends and ladies and gentlemen and my others fellow, I'm touring in Chicago. This is beautiful city. Chicago is the one of the best clean and beautiful city. We says this is windy city. We are standing on the light. This is Je- this is a Michigan Avenue going southbound, and this is the Harrison Street coming up. Look, left side, Grand Park, left side, other parks. Grand Park is a name. Congress Hotel, right side, left side, Grand Park. Then after coming this light, this is the Harrison. See, yeah, this is Harrison. If we make left, then we will get to Lakeshore. If we are going straight, we will go up to Roosevelt Avenue. Right side, big hotel, Hotel Hilton. See, right side. Whole Hotel Hilton starting from here to all the way. Very huge, beautiful. See, this is. And in front of us, flush taxi. I think he's carrying some passenger, look like someone inside. During COVID-19, every businesses are shutting down, not appreciating, because business need peaceful atmosphere, and COVID-19 is destroying our peace. Anyhow, we are enjoying walking, driving, and riding. So making video for you guys. Have a fun. Enjoy to watch my video. Beautiful city. Weather changing. Now we have cold, but cool cold, not harshing, not hurting us. See, in front of us, buildings, residential building. Right side, residential building. Left side, Grand Park, then parking garage. See, I'm making left, Roosevelt. This is a Roosevelt Avenue. FedEx, going there, we are chasing to FedEx. Following, I'll stay left lane because they will be lazy. See, taxi making right on Indiana Street coming up. This is Indiana Street. But green light made us saving our time. See, in front of us, museum. That building is museum. But this light is, after this light, we will get Lakeshore. And see, in front of us, straight, all the way straight, one building. That is museum. Its name Aquarium. See, straight. This light is Lakeshore Drive, because this Lakeshore Drive, running with Lake Michigan. We have to make left we got arrow making left. I hope you are enjoying too with us. If you have comments, you must give me comments. What do you want? Which kind of view and sight you want to see? Staying left lane because going straight. See, straight right side Lake Michigan and left side downtown Chicago, huge building. See in front of us, straight. Those are commercial building and residential building. We will make left from here. Again, because we have to go, just we are walking around, driving around. You can see right side, Lake Michigan, cold water, not fun. You can see, but you cannot take shower. All the way straight, buildings, different names, someone diamond building, someone Ogo, different name buildings, lot of buildings, huge, tall, 100 buildings in downtown Chicago. Beautiful, clean and clear city. Not Chicago city has very easyable address. If you want to get any address, easy because everything is systematically north, south, east bound. We are going straight and behind us Lake Michigan, Lake Shore, and in front of us Lake Michigan Avenue. See, again we got this street and we will make left from here because we are crossing. We are driving around downtown. This is east of downtown. Downtown loop is in front of us. Those buildings starting from Van Buren to Lake Avenue loop. One day we will go there. But today we are in crossing here, driving here. You see huge bus, big buses, because we have very good transport system, especially if you want to come to downtown and going from downtown, very easy. See, making left. Wow, beautiful. Now, right side again Grand Park and left side part of park, but Lakeshore Park. All the way straight, you will see museum. We will go all the way straight up to 18th Street for museum, field museum. There is aquarium, there is shadow aquarium, there is shoulder field. 4 kind of museum are there. See, we stopped here because red light stopped us. See, someone walking in front of us. They have zebra crossing. That's meaning pedestrian has rights to walk. And walking is a good thing for health. Because if you are watching something like this, like my video, you will have wonderful time. You will spend wonderful time. You will enjoy if you like. If you see my all video, trying to enjoy, trying to improve fun, because driving and good weather, good view, good people and good road, then you can enjoy to see it. See, I have to supposed to make left, but going straight because we are going around. Left side, soldier field. See, football and soccer game going on here. Left side, round building, and right side, this is a railway crossing, and and like a river, part of lakeshore, but there is not water a lot. See, this is the 18th Street, taking 18th Street, right side, Convention Center, and left side, Museum, Arts. See, this is stopping, red light, flashing. What is the meaning of flashing? Meaning you have to stop, then go. Stop and go. Again, stop, red light, turning on, turning off, meaning you stop and watch left, right, then move, going straight. This is all museum driveway. See, we have to drive here slow, not fast, but very beautiful. We are enjoying because good weather, not summer, spring. Look at color of trees. Right side green, left side yellow colors tree. See, stop sign, stopping. Left side building, soccer, American soccer and Mexican football, European football, always going on here. All the way straight, shadow Aquarium you will see. The left side, see, this is left side. Football and soccer game going on here. Beautiful driveway. See, right side, some construction truck doing some work. And straight, if you watch, you will see all the way straight, shadow Aquarium. See, that one, that is shadow Aquarium. Straight, I'll show you little bit, you can see. If you come here in Chicago, you must visit this area. This is a museum area, 4 museum here, shoulder field. See, in front of us, Aquarium. See, biker crossing, enjoying too. In America, people like to bike because less pollution, not spent, free traveling and exercise, and not creating pollution, less pollution, and everyone like to enjoy. But if you have time, sometimes we don't have time, so I don't walk. Yes, if I have time, then I like walk. Sometimes I made walking video too. See, this is aquarium. A lot of fish, different kind of fish you can see here. See, but going on construction too. During course, some guy, construction guy working there in front of us. Again, this is Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan. Right side, Lake Michigan. Left side, I'll stop here for a while. All the way straight, Children Museum. See that building, very tall building. Children